Hey guys, RGP here. I know I haven't uploaded in a while because I've had some things going on right now. And by things mean going on, I mean having my grandma's dog. They're a Dalmatian breeder on Facebook, and they sell puppies, Dalmatian babies, and they just had a bunch of puppies, and we have females. Basically, I think we have, the dogs that are here is Duke. He's our dog. And then their dog is Grace. She's a puppy. Stupid dog. She's a puppy. They have Charity, and that's their dogs. They have two. My cousins, my mom's brother, they have Ember and Bolt. Oh wait, take that back. My grandma has Grace, the puppy, Charity, and Liberty. Liberty had babies, and she's at my mom's brother's house, Uncle Eric. And anyway, we had to shuffle the females around, so we have Duke and Charity here. My grandma has Ember and Grace, and my cousins have Liberty with the babies and Bolt, which is the father. Anyway, we had Grace over here for a little bit, and warning you, if you are a child, I do not recommend you hearing this, so just warning you, just so you know. It's a little sad. Anyway, that puppy ate Mohawk whole. Caleb saw the dog munching away on Momo, and she swallowed him whole. I know, it's bad. So I had to get a new bird, because I didn't want to go without having a bird. No. So that's where a little Oreo comes into the story here. Hi, buddy. It's a little baby. This is little Oreo. Should be a male. Come on. Snuggle. Anyway, just wanted to give you guys a little update. A sad update. He is a white-faced pied. Wanted to go a little different this time. Hopefully, Lemon will warm up to him and they might have babies, because Momo and Lemon were literally about to have babies before the incident. Anyway, just wanted to give you guys a little update. So, there you go.